All right, Bennett, you're about to make history. We've got the video rolling. This is his first solid food.
Is that good?
What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, more.
Wow.
Is that what you're saying? More?
I knew you'd love it.
Hey, you want some rice cereal? Yep, open up. Open up.
Did you get some?
Keep going. Is he chewing on it right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want to overdo it. I think he has a little. You want some more? Oh, yeah, he's pushing the spoon into his mouth.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Is that good? Are you chewing?
What do you think? Is it good?
Oh, he's excited.
Is it good?
Is that fun? Oh, yeah.
He's like, give me some more.
Give me more.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
More.
Nope.
Ooh.
You okay, buddy?
Here
You
comes
ready?
round 3. Let's go.
He's never been one to turn away food.
No.